And the thing that makes it interesting, right, is the fact that these asteroids might be able to give us a historical record about how everything was formed.
Yeah.
Why do we think that? Why do we? It's called the
Well,
Lucy mission after the first human that we found, one of the oldest human remains that we've found. So
right,
we think we're going to learn something about the origin of everything, right?
right. Well, the whole thing about calling it Lucy was that you want to look at the earliest origins of how something subsequently evolved. And we're on Earth, and Earth is a very active geologically place that has done a lot of geological evolution in the 4.5 billion years that Earth has been around. 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was a much different place. And stuff was happening that we are just starting to understand aspects of it. But there's a lot we still don't understand. And what can help us understand these early days are the remnants of those earliest days. And the Trojans probably are some of the least evolved, least processed, least beat up, least chemically changed stuff that you're likely to find in the solar system.
Okay, that's the best explanation I've ever heard as to why asteroids can tell us more than,
Yeah.
say, our own Earth. Okay, that makes sense because that was going to be one of my questions. Because Earth, if everything came from one spot and blew up at the same time, you'd think we would all sort of have
Yeah.
hints at what happened. So you're saying because these asteroids don't have plant growths and creatures on it changing the dynamics of it, that will basically, it's almost like frozen in time. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, exactly. And frozen is a good word for it because it's really cold out by Jupiter's orbit.